Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Kicks Trunk from inside. Locate the trunk release lever behind the rear seats, fold the seats, pull the lever, and lift the trunk lid. If your Kicks has an electronic release, press the button on the center console or use the smart key fob inside the cabin. Always check that the area is clear before opening and keep fingers away from the lid hinge. If the release sticks, remain calm and try each method methodically. First, clear any debris and test the manual lever again with steady pressure. Next, try the interior electronic release or the smart key fob button while someone gently lifts the lid. If the latch still will not move, fold down the rear seats and reach in to manually manipulate the latch, then take the vehicle to a technician for inspection. Safety matters when opening the trunk from inside, so always park and set the parking brake first. Keep hands, jewelry, and clothing away from the hinge and latch while opening or closing. Practice folding the rear seats and using both the manual lever and electronic button so you know the fastest method in an emergency. If you transport children or pets, secure them before accessing the trunk from inside to avoid accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.